These are the best certificate courses for self-employment. Stay tuned to find the best and most marketable certificate course to pursue in Kenya. Certificate in Phone Repair. The demand for mobile phone repair technicians has been on the rise due to the increased number of mobile ownership. After completion, you can decide to work as a full-time technician, or start your own repairing business. It's best to set up this type of business in an urban center. Certificate in Electrical Engineering. This program equips the graduate with both practical and theoretical knowledge in the field of electrical engineering. It offers a variety of options to choose from after graduation, such as to work as an electrical technician, lab technician, hardware engineer, and much more. With this course, you can be guaranteed something to do immediately after completion. Since the option of self-employment is very much available and open to all graduates. Certificate in Information Technology. Although underrated by many, it is one of the best certificate courses to pursue in Kenya. A certificate in information technology equips the learner with the necessary skills to solve business problems in a technological approach. With this certificate, one can consider to work as a freelancer or opt to self-employment. Certificate in Masonry. Masonry is the building of structure from individual units. This certificate program promotes the trade of masonry through technical instruction and practical hands-on experience for the necessary skill development for employment in the field of construction. With this certificate, one can either be a contractor, freelancer, or set up your own construction company. Also, the path of employment is open and available to all graduates of this course, considering the boom in the construction industry. Certificate in Pastry and Baking. The baking industry is very profitable in urban areas. With this certificate, you become an asset to many employers, especially in the baking industry. The room for self-employment is wide since the demand for pastries and cakes is very high. This course requires somebody who is passionate in baking, as it can become quite tiresome. If you are enjoying the video, don't forget to hit the like icon and also subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos. Certificate in Plumbing. Plumbing is a lucrative and the most marketable certificate course to pursue in Kenya. This is because of the high demand of plumbers who are needed to fix and install water and drainage systems in different buildings. The course has very few individuals, thus pursuing it will make you more employable after completion, but you can also consider venturing into self-employment as a freelancer or contractor, and you will still be able to find plumbing-related jobs. Certificate in Hairdressing and Beauty. Hairdressing and beauty industry is booming, which means abundant job opportunities. This certificate program allows you to express your creativity and talent by incorporating theory with practical hands-on experience. It opens a floodgate of opportunities, since one can decide to be employed in a beauty parlor or salon, or decide to venture into self-employment by opening your own business premises where you can offer your services and products to your clients.